Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about seeds in MidJourney. We'll learn what seeds are and how to use them. So what are seeds? Let's say for example we've got these images over here. The prompt is a car from the future. And now I want to get images similar to these ones. For that, I'll have to use the seed of this prompt. After I've done so, I get this result. The prompt is a yellow car from the future and the seed number. So as you can see, it works, but it's not perfect. So how to get the seed of the prompt? For that, we'll have to go back to Discord. Okay, so in order to get the seed, we need to create an image. So here I'm going to type imagine, and I will create an image of a ceramic owl pitcher. Now we need to wait. Alright, the pitcher is ready. So in order to get the seed, we need to add a reaction to this prompt. How to do that? There are two ways to add a reaction. The first way is clicking on this icon here that says add reaction. And the second way is you right click on the images and choose add reaction, and then you go to view more. So they are the same, they do the same thing. So here you either type env or envelope, both are okay. So it's important to choose this envelope because only this one will work. The others will not do the job. So we choose this envelope, and now we'll get a message. It's over here from the MidJourney bot. We go to MidJourney bot, and there we go. Our pictures are here. The seed number is right above the images. It's over here. So we copy it. Then we go back to our server. When in our server, we're going to type imagine again. And I'm going to use the same prompt, but add some new features. So a ceramic owl pitcher in a hand, for example. Then dash dash seed. Then we leave a space and the seed number. And now let's see what we get. Okay, not bad as you can see. Much better than what we got with the cards, right? But there is another way to get even a better result. For that, we need to go back to our original images over here. So let's say, for example, I like this one. So I'm going to upscale it. I'm going to click on upscale 1, and then we need to wait. So now we have to get the seed number of this image. So we have to repeat the same process. We right click on it, add reaction, view more, and we choose the envelope. Or here you need to type env if you can't see the emoji there. We choose the envelope emoji, and here is the message that we got from the MidJourney bot. We go there, we copy the seed number, head back to our server, and then here we type the same prompt, a ceramic owl pitcher in a hand, and the seed number, dash dash seed, leave a space, and the seed number. So as you can see, the result is not that great. They don't look quite alike, but if you are not happy with the result, you can always refresh and get another version. So guys, that's it. This is how we get the seeds and use them. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.